Yo guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. I'm AidanMCJ, and before I tell you what today's video is, I just want to thank all the subscribers. We've hit 150 subscribers, which is an amazing achievement. Let's just, you know, try and keep it climbing and stuff. But today's video is something I normally do, is the unboxing of the Becauseracecarbox. Now this one is November's, I think. Yeah, November's. And I know you're thinking, oh bloody hell, he's got two uploads in this week. Now, my upload schedule has changed from being varied and all over the place to every Tuesday at 7:30 PM. Now, every day I'll put up on Instagram on the Tuesday and say that it's today that the video's going up, and if you're excited and all that jazz, get you interacting with me and stuff. Now, I do also want to thank you for all the positive feedback I've had on all the latest videos and stuff. It's gone down a real storm, and I really appreciate you getting back to me and saying that you like the videos and stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's have it open. So obviously we all look forward to having a look at what the Becauseracecarbox photo is. So today is the old 911 Turbo. Now, gee, that's a smart car, that is. I like it. Then obviously it tells you what's in the box. I'm not going to read it yet because I actually want to see what it is in the box first. And then obviously the don't forget to tag us to get featured. Right, let's start off then. So we've got a cosmic air freshener. I think it's just one, yeah. Nice cosmic air freshener. I've got the Becauseracecarbox Turbo one in here now because I'll just update you about this one. This one, right, smells really nice and it's really good, but when you're going over bumps and stuff, it goes like that and it sprays it all over your dashboard, and it's actually like, when I've not realised, it's actually dried onto my dashboard and it's peeled the wrap off the dash. So I'm really not happy with that, so I'm not going to be using one of them again. I'll probably just give it away or something. So a cosmic air freshener. Then obviously we have the usual adaptive tops for the bottles. And then, oh my god, holy crap, we've got some brushes, some detailing brushes. Becauseracecarbox detailing brushes. You can see that. There you go, look. Detailing brushes. They're always really, really handy. Another adapter top for the spray bottles. We seem to have loads more than we normally have in here. This is really exciting. So, we start off with the Cosmic Detail Hella Wheel Detailer. There you go. That looks really smart actually. It's a nice colour. Nice red kind of. Looks like kind of like a gel. So it might spray out, might be a bit of a jelly one kind of thing. The next bottle we have the Detail Master Parma Violet Air Freshener. So that's an air freshener, that's really good. I've not had an air freshener that's not like one of these types and that type down there. I haven't had a spray one for a while. Never out of this one, the Becauseracecarbox. That's really helpful as well. The next bottle we're getting into is another cosmic. There's the other one. No, the other one's different. Cosmic Detail Alpine pH Neutral Snow Foam. Now, I've never been given a snow foam before, guys. At the moment, I haven't got a jet wash, but when I go over to Jack's, he normally helps me, or lets me use his jet wash. So we'll be using this in the snow foam. We'll see what it's like in another video, and I'll show you that. So that's really good. And then we've got the Auto Bright Direct Quality Car Products, quality guaranteed, the Fab All-Purpose Interior Cleaner. I've had an interior cleaner before and I haven't used it yet, but a couple of my friends have said that it was really good. So Auto Bright, nice colour as well. I do recommend Auto Bright products. They're in Stoke, so not far from me. If you'd have seen the Lupo GTI in the last video, a lot of people are saying nice things about that and how clean it is and everything. That was cleaned with Auto Bright direct products, so there you go. The proof is in the pudding. So then we've got obviously the normal black gloves, and we've also got a looks like a drying towel. Yeah, it looks like a big drying towel. So they've also got that. So all in all, got the drying towel, the interior from Auto Bright, the wheel detailer from Cosmic Detailing, the Detail Master Ultraviolet smellies, and the Alpine Snow Foam from Cosmic Detailing, and the detailing brushes, the air freshener, and of course the 2 adapter heads for the spray bottles. Now again, they've done something absolutely great. Well, I've paid $14.99 for this, and all the products in, you're probably looking at like 25 to 30 quid of detailing products. So again, they've pulled it out of the bag. A big thanks for Becauseracecarbox. And yeah, that's basically the end of the video. So I will show you in other videos using the products and stuff. So thanks guys, thanks very much for getting us to 150. Let's just carry on going up, and we'll see you in the next one. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.
I pull up in the gold, I'm bleeding, but them other man need feeding. I don't wanna go Bombay. Them I don't know what I do when I go from wheeling, leading the pack in black, and I'm